Hello guys, this video is about exploratory data analysis from graduate rotational internship program arranged by the Sparsks Foundation. I am Sohaibul Islam Lincoln. Let's look into my notebook. Firstly, let's import necessary libraries for this task. I have import pandas, numpy, seaborn and matplotlib for my analysis. Next we import data by read CSV. We can see there are 13 columns. Let's see if there are any null values. As we can see, there are no null values. If we look into the data, we can drop country and postal codes. It will have no effect on the analysis. Then I have correlate my data and display it on heat map. Here is a pie chart on of region column. We can see that about 32% cities or states are in west. East is in the second position. The pie chart shows result of ship mode percentage below. More than half percent of items are shipped in standard class, which is about 59.69%. Only 5.43% items are shipped and sold on the same day. There are some unique values from extracting the columns. There are 4 ship mode, 3 segments, 5 and 31 cities, 49 states, 4 regions, 3 category and 17 subcategories. Here are 2 pair plot based on category column and region column. Now let's group the data by category and extract the total quantity of each category. As we can see, in total quantity sold of supplies, uh, office supplies are in top position with total quantity of about 22,861, which is about 60.26%. Then comes the furniture and lastly the technology category. Now let's divide the total quantity sold according to subcategory. Now I have plot category versus sales with hue region. Here technology surpasses other categories in every region. Uh, we can see also in profit chart where technology surpasses all of them, and furniture have some loss. Here we can see that I have applied profit and sales with different hues to see which category has most sales and profits. Here I have plot region versus sales to see which region have most sales, and here is region versus plot profit. Uh, in these two pictures, the main difference goes in central region. Though central region have relatively good sales, but it has very low profit. We have seen that technology dominates in both sales and profits. Now let's see which subcategory of technology have highest sales and profits. It is clear from this chart that copiers have highest sales and profits. Though machines have relatively high sales, it tends to have losses, we can see here. Now that I have grouped the data by city column, Next, I have calculated the total sales here and created a table with the descending order, and we can see that New York City has highest total sales and Los Angeles is in second position. Last is Abilene, which has the lowest total sales we can see. I have also visualized it. You can see here. Next, let's calculate the total profit among cities. Here we can also see New York City has highest, then Los Angeles, then Seattle, then San Francisco. But we can see that Philadelphia has highest loss, whereas Philadelphia has quite good sales, total sales. We can see it was in fifth position. I also have visualized it so it can be seen easily which cities have highest profits and highest lowest profits we can see in those two graphs. Next, I have calculated average sales, profits and discount. I have defined some variables and assigned filtered data in them. Now let's merge two data table of high sales and high profits. Here Jamestown have high sales and high profit in average. Frankfurt has low sale and low profit in average scale. Next up comes low profit and low sales, high sales and low profit, high sales, low discount, high profit, low discount, respectively. Now here I have grouped the data by subcategory column, and we can see that phones have highest average total sales, and chair is in second position. And at lastly there is fasteners, which is about 3024 of total sales we can see here. Now if we look into other thing like in profit, copiers have highest total profit we can see, then phones have second in total profit, uh, and we can see that tables have highest loss in total. Here is the visualization of the result above. I have done here the same thing which I have done with the city group. It is clearly visual that copiers have highest profits where machines have high loss. Here I have plot subcategory versus profit with a hue discount. This visualization represents that more the discount, lesser the profit. The loss tends to get high when there is a high discount. This visualization also shares the same thing. As a summary, we can say that office supply products have highest quantity of items sold. On the other hand, technology is in the bottom. But in total sales and profits, technology related items surpasses every other category. Among technology category, copiers make highest sales and profits. Phones and other accessories remains in stable positions, but machines have least profits and it has high tendency to have loss. If we look at regions, South region dominates in sales, whereas West dominates in profit scale. New York City have highest sales and profits. Philadelphia reports highest total loss of about $13,843, though it was fifth in position of sales. Thank you.